Alright, so if you're watching this video, you're either on my channel or you found it somewhere on YouTube. If you're somewhere on YouTube watching it, you can just search my name on YouTube and it'll be the first or second option that comes up, and you can come to my channel. I've got a lot of math videos, some Excel videos. I've got playlists, calculus, trig, got some software stuff, differential equations, little math tricks. And if you click here on about, if you have any questions, you can send me an email. You can go to my website. If you go to my website, I know it says under construction here, and I'm still adding stuff to it. But if you on this side menu over here, I have videos organized, trig, calculus, and that they pretty much go by just a standard textbook on calculus or standard textbook on trig, statistics, whatever. That's about how I have them organized based on how the books are organized. And you can always click on here and just search for a topic that you want also. But yeah, and then I've got all the statistics videos, and you might see some where I have something. Let me see, like over here on the calculus videos, I may have something written down like here, video coming soon. Just hadn't got around to making the video yet, but I'm getting there. This one here, practice test, if you're taking calculus and you want to need to take a practice test on finding derivatives, there's three of them. There's about 50 something problems total. Each test gets a little more difficult, has the answers on a separate page than what the problems are on. And if you need help with it, I actually have a video solution for each problem, so you can check those out and see how it's worked. It's a good way to study for a test. And I haven't done any more because I haven't gotten a lot of views on these. Not, I don't guess a lot of response or anything. But if you'd like to see them, you can, more practice tests like integrals or something like that. Or if there's a topic, you can send me an email, and I'll see about making it. But yeah, that's really about it. I hope the videos help, and give me a like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.